What is going on, guys? Sir Luis here, the YouTuber that helps you invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys here my top 3 crypto coins to mine on your phone. That's right, you can mine this on your phone. And before we even start, let me just say, if you use my referral code for all of these crypto coins for the app, your frequency to earn goes up by a lot. So definitely use my referral code, and then if you want to earn even more, get other people, your friends, to use your referral code, and then you will earn even more. So another thing too is 2 of these 3 cryptos are still not listed yet. They're on the process to be listed, so might as well start now. And one of them is actually already on an exchange, already has a wallet. You can exchange it to that wallet and already has value in the exchange. And let's start with that one, which I'm going to show you guys here, right here on the website CoinMarketCap. As you guys can see, it's called PHT Phonium. All right, it's called PHT, and this is the value right now, which is 0.0004, which is obviously not that much. But like I said, you might as well start now while these coins are just getting developed and low. And who knows, the world that we live in today, they can be worth something more in the future. So you guys can see this one is legit. It's already in the exchange here, and it's called Phonium. Okay, so how do you earn this? How do you mine this on your phone passively, just by clicking a button? Well, the app is called Cloud Earning PHT, and one of the downsides for this one is that it's only on Android. The other 2 are on both iPhone and Android. This one right now, I don't know why it's not on iPhone yet. Maybe there's something that iPhone's blocking this app from being on the App Store, but it's just an awesome app, and it's really simple. I have a old Android phone right here that I basically use to mine this. I really don't use this at all. I recently just turned this on again just to get this app, and I could just mine this. You just log in. If you use my referral code for this one, I'm leaving the description below, you get 220 PHT free. We use this at all, and it's awesome. Just on a 7-day basis, which is once a week, you just click that button and then you basically earn PHT throughout the week. And other things here that it says here, which is awesome, you can also stake PHT with up to 5% monthly return. That's monthly, all right? It's not annually, that's monthly return, which is awesome. And like, again, this is a pretty good app, and this could definitely go up in value one day, who knows. So might as well get in now. It's legit. It has a wallet. You can basically, after you have a certain value in this app, you can send that value to your other crypto app that can hold this, your other exchange. So that's another big thing here. So definitely check it out. It's only on Android. Hopefully it can go on iPhone soon. And yeah, I'll leave it in the description below so you guys can use my referral code for that. Now moving on to the next ones, which are on iPhone and on Android. I'm gonna start with this one. It's called B.com. Right away, when I just get in here, you guys can see that I haven't pressed the mining button yet, and all you gotta do, this is how you mine. This is so simple. You just click, boom, and then it starts mining. Now this one is different because this one is 24 hours. It's not like the PHT, which is 7-day or once a week. This one you gotta press once a day. So after 24 hours from now, I gotta come back on here and press it, and it tells you the frequency that you earn this Bitcoin. Right here I have 1.40. Now for you, that frequency might be lower, but the more referrals that you get, and especially if you use my referral code, you get a boost up, and you basically get more boost up. As you guys can see, this is my team right here. These are all the people that I referred. So you guys can see there's a lot of people here, and what's cool too is that if you guys see, it shows the green circle or a red circle. The red circle are the ones that people still haven't basically mined, or like forgot to press mine on that day. So all you gotta do is press ping, and it'll basically send them a notification on their phone reminding them to mine the Bitcoin, which is pretty cool. The green ones are the ones that are currently mining it. So this is a really good app. There's a lot of good reviews on this one too. I just love the feel of this app. It's really smooth. What it says right here, this is the third 50% rate cut. 10 million B visionaries reached. As you guys can see, it tells you where they're at. And again, this is not official crypto yet on the exchange, but they are on the path to being on the exchange. So again, guys, you might as well just get this you know, all you gotta do is press a button once a day, right? And who knows, one day it could be worth something a lot. And until they get that wallet, you can just keep mining this and racking up Bitcoin. So that's B. Use my referral code in the description below. I'm also going to leave iPhone and Android links. So moving on to the next one, we got here, it's called Pi Network, which is actually similar to B. I think they recently just got their wallet. So you guys can see there's progress in these crypto apps here. It's not just, you know, they're not just gonna go away. You know, this one recently didn't have a wallet like B, and they just got one. And like B, all you gotta do is press this button right here once a day, just like B. It's 24 hours, once a day. My frequency for this one is a lot less because I don't have that many referrals for this one yet. So hopefully you guys can help out. I have 0.32 frequency, and at the top it tells you how much Pi you have. And if you click right here, you can see there's a bunch of things here. Earning team, there's earn Pi utilities. There's a lot of information here. And in this app, they already keep you updated with how they are doing it and when they're going to release this crypto officially in the exchange, where you can send all that you have worth here in this app to that exchange, which is awesome. So it's very similar to B and the other ones. All you gotta do is click the button once a day and you can start mining. If you click right here too, it tells you all your referrals that you got, which is pretty cool. So definitely check these three out. I'm gonna leave all the referral codes and all the links in the description below so you guys can start mining these crypto coins on your phone passively. All right, and it's pretty fun. Yeah, there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, comment below if you guys got any questions, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.